Good afternoon. This is our History Phase 1 presentation, element of the map. We are Team A4, Civilization Egypt. Our team members are José Andrés Rodríguez, Ana Carolina Mercado, Eduardo Jiménez, Daniel Vidaña, Daniel Vázquez, and Jorge González.
Name and map legends. Egypt. The name of the civilization which we are doing the map of is at the top of the left corner. Ancient Egypt was a powerful civilization in Africa that dated to 3130 before Christ, according to the wikipedia.org article.
Geographical places. Arabic Desert. The Arabic Desert stands in the northeast portion of Egypt. It occupies most of the Arabian Peninsula with an area of 2,330,000 million square kilometers.
The Giza Pyramids. Giza is represented with a three-dimensional pyramid. It is considered the most symbolic place in Egypt because of its beauty and because they contain important pharaoh tombs.
Saqqara is represented with a skeleton pyramid. It is important because it is one of the first burial places in ancient Egypt and home of many tombs, like the step tomb of the Djoser.
The Red Sea is located in southeast of Egypt. It was useful and important to the Egyptians because it was a natural barrier for them.
The Nile River. The Nile River is represented with the long blue strand that is located at the center of the map. The Nile River was very important for Egyptians because Egypt's agriculture was based on it. The Nile River made the soil fertile and rich. It is the longest river in the world.
Compass rose. It's a key element to use the map as a guide. It represents the cardinal points. It's located southwest to the map.
Scale is the ratio between distance on the map and how it relates to distance on the map ground. It is located southeast to the map. Egypt has an area of 1,450 kilometers, extending 1,572 kilometers. Papyrus. Papyrus was the icon in ancient Egypt because Egypt's history was recorded with it, and it also was the first material created that was used for writing. Gold was very important because they used it for ornaments, pyramids, etc. It was also an important element of trade. Egyptians believed that gold was a divine and indestructible metal associated with the sun. The pharaoh to which it was associated was called the Golden Horus. Hatshepsut was the first woman pharaoh, and this demonstrated that in ancient Egypt, women had the same rights as men. Born in the 15th century before Christ, daughter of Thutmose and Ahmes, was able to rule ancient Egypt. Flora. It is represented in the map with a silhouette of a palm tree. Flora that could be found in ancient Egypt was a citrus grove. It was and is mostly located near the Nile. Egypt is one of the world's leading orange producers and exporters. Egyptian orange production is favored by high yields due to the availability of irrigation water, suitable climatic conditions, good soil, and year-round sunshine lighting. The jackal is one of the most symbolic animals in Egypt and in all Africa. In ancient Egypt, it was used as a symbol for the god of the dead. The ancient Egyptian jackal can be seen depicted in the form of a jackal-headed god that was popularly known as Anubis. The majority of descriptions show the jackal-headed god with a black-colored head that is characterized by its long ears along with a pointed muzzle, just like the actual animal. Anubis, the jackal god, is regarded as being one of the most significant mythological symbols of ancient Egypt.